So now let's take a look at Interlude 2. I'll play it through for you first of all. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so this is the next interlude section, as opposed to playing the chord interlude that we saw earlier on. This time we have this little solo melody. Now we're going to start off with a semitone bend on the B string, bend and release, then come down an A minor arpeggio, drop down, then we have this slide, little hammer on and pull off figure, back to the bending lick, and then we have a whole tone bend on the B string, and then we have a hammer, and then we repeat that figure, got that hammer on and pull off that we saw at the beginning of the lick, and then the final time